This is for you, babe. Mother's Day gift.
Thank you. Oh my God.
From me and Island. Wagwan, beautiful people.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, man.
happy days today.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there, including the mothers that are doing it tough.
Yeah.
Single mums, also single dads, because you're playing both roles.
True.
Yeah, so happy Mother's Day, and we wish you a very special day and hope that you're all having a beautiful day.
Yeah, man, definitely, you know. Big up to all of the mothers that work hard and provide, and you know. Yeah, man.
100%. So what are we up to now, babes?
Yeah, we are going to the shop and I'll go buy some meat, do a barbecue today, some jerk chicken, some Argentinian asado.
I don't know about Argentina. No, we can't.
We're not doing that
no,
today.
not today, because the
All
meat
right.
shops are closed on Sunday here.
Alright, but yeah.
And I notice you look like you're nice and summery. You hot.
You're not really too bad at the moment. Yeah.
So it's a bit cold. Cold and hot, but it's raining a little bit too.
Yeah, it started raining.
A bit sprinkly. But yeah, so today that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna have a barbecue for Mother's Day and just enjoy the afternoon with family.
True.
Island boy. And yeah.
Yeah, man, fun time, you know, good what do you call it? Great moments, great memories every day, you know?
Yeah. And if you're watching this, as you can see, we've been uploading our videos from Cairns as well.
Yeah.
And we just got back, last week from Cairns, and it was a beautiful stay. We also just want to say that it was like someone had commented from Cairns, so it was really nice to see someone from Cairns actually comment on our video.
Yeah.
So big up yourself, lady from Papua New Guinea, was it? Or Torres Strait? Sorry,
Islander.
Torres Strait Islander. I do apologise. Thank you so much for your lovely comment, and I hope that you do stay with the Island family and enjoy, our vlogs that we do. And what else? What else? Yeah, so thank you.
Yeah, man. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, just watching traffic. It's so weird when you're not driving and you're like, you have to keep an eye on the road too, even though I trust Babe's driving.
Yeah, but
I'm just gonna make sure, that everything's all good.
I'm like that too.
I'm getting hot now.
I'm like that too when you're driving. I'm like looking whenever we're making a turn and all that. Like it just feels that like I'm in the seat too, you know?
Crazy, guys.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a very quiet day here, Sunday here in where we live. So country town.
Yes, Rasta.
Yeah. Geez, shopping centre looks pretty busy today.
Yeah. It is Sunday, everybody's shopping.
Either that or they're at the club having lunch. Having lunch. Oh my god, I got something in my hair.
Push the park here. I go show this.
It's up to you. Oh,
I'm gonna be not gonna make it.
No, you're not gonna make it. Why don't you can reverse there? Can you reverse there?
Shit, I'm already too late. Oh, he's going there. Oh, he's leaving. He actually. Are you waiting on this car?
No. Go straight, probably, maybe.
Okay. I'm gonna have to run for it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, my hair's a mess. It's called the lazy up day. Put it up, lazy up day.
Good here. Yeah, man. So today is Friday as I'm doing this video. Is it finished work like an hour ago? You see me? So I've been busy working all week, and so Mother's Day is this Sunday, and I wanted to get Babes a gift for her Mother's Day. You see me? So I got her an handbag which I know she will love, because the last time I went shopping in Lismore, you know, she pointed out like 2 things that she liked, you know, without telling me that's what she wanted. She was like, oh, this bag look really nice, you know, and these shoes, you know, would match with, you know, my outfit or whatever. And so, you know, sometimes it's like to choose for a woman, it's very hard. So sometimes you have to just, you know what them want, or if them see something what them like, yeah, right, to say, you know, that she want. You see me? So the bag that I bought is actually what she liked in the store. So, you know, I couldn't go to Lismore, because the thing is that when I go to work and I leave work, be able to get ready to go to work, because after I leave work she goes to work and I stay with Thailand. So I couldn't go because, you know, she have to use the car and all of that. So it's not just on Mother's Day, you know, me treat her or whatever, or get her a gift as eat if she needs something, me get that same way as me. But yeah, you know, Mother's Day is special, so we make it special the same way. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna surprise her on Sunday. As I said, today is Friday when I'm doing currently doing this video. Yeah, so I'm gonna surprise her on Sunday. I definitely know that she will like this bag. It's a Guess bag. The brand is a Guess. So definitely, guys, stick around for that. I mean, you guys will see it in this video anyway, because it's obviously an edited video, so it's just gonna skip right to Sunday. Yeah, man. So unless something else happen in between this video. And also, guys, you don't know mommy the yard same way, so you know me have to send her something same way, cause me not did it for, you know, me not the funny ground right now, you see me. So yeah, me have to get mommy something as well. So yeah, man, so stick around for that, guys. Let's go now. Yeah, guys, so Babe gone to buy some wine at the bottle shop, and today is the day, guys. Today is Sunday. I already tell her, you know, happy Mother's Day from morning already. You see me? So I still have the gift. I haven't gave it to her as yet, but when we reach home, I'm gonna surprise her with the gift. You see it? So yeah, man. And also my mom back home, you know, planning to send her something later today as well. So yeah, you know the thing go. Yeah, man, I have to make sure so the moms them special. Yeah, man. So that guys, and stay tuned for the reveal. Let's see it. Yeah, man. Oh, go on.
Anyways, I got the wine, but I was she goes, oh, I think she's like Kiwi, the girl.
Yeah. She's
got a real strong Kiwi accent. Yeah, let's go. I think we're good.
Alrighty.
Oh, sorry, I didn't even know you were taping. She got a real Kiwi accent, that girl, and she was like, she even said it. She goes, Argentina wine is really nice, isn't it, Melbeck? This guy's like parking there. Do you reckon you can get out?
Oh, he's reversing.
Oh gosh. Anyway, do you want me to get a pork rib?
Yeah, it's up to you. What do you feel like?
Not really big on pork, but just for you guys, more like it. You and Uncle Dave.
I'm good.
It's a shame. I wish my mum lived by close so that she could spend Mother's Days with us. But I know she'll be here next week because I'll be off on some training days. So yeah, maybe go to Aldi's. Aldi's have that pork ribs. We'll go Aldi's.
Okay.
Tell me, guys, in the comments below if Aldi's, you have Aldi's. Oh, they do. They do have Aldi's in the UK.
Oh, they do.
In America, I think Aldi's. Yeah, it's like a cheaper shopping. Not really cheaper, but anyway, they might have gloves in there too. Yeah, I got bought it. Yeah, Babe's looking for gloves. Felt really sick in there in the Coles. I mean, like I should feel a bit queasy at the moment, a little bit nauseous. I don't know why.
It's not good. Subway, lots of people at Subway.
Oh, at the Chinese restaurant, mums and things. Yeah. So, okay, even the bakery's open for people to buy cakes and stuff. I don't really want cake. brother already bought me chocolate, like heaps of chocolate. I'm like, I don't really need the sugar right now, guys. I don't need the sugar right now. Luckily, you know, I don't have, sugar problems or anything, but I don't want to get there with all the chocolate he bought me. All the chocolate. But yeah, Mother's Day is every day, but I understand why they make it one day of the year special for mothers.
Is it this turn?
Yeah, this turn. Babe still doesn't get.
Sometimes in place I confuse me same way, even though it's a small town. Because I don't come out to walk these streets like that, so.
Yeah, so I woke up early this morning and yeah. Oh, I got a coffee this morning. That's one thing I did for myself. I went to get a coffee and it tasted horrible. Some young girl gave it to me, so I'm not going to even say where I got it from.
Coffee, that was when you were going to work?
Yeah, this morning. I had one coffee this morning. It was horrible. It tasted like water. It didn't even taste like coffee. No, you're not going to make it, babes.
Huh?
No. Yeah.
Alright.
You should try and reverse. Reversing is good.
Oh, that's a good idea.
It's a good idea. Yeah, so the coffee I had this morning, guys, was absolutely horrible. I drank it, but it wasn't great. It was not good at all. Maybe. You know what song's in my head?
What's that?
You're as smooth as shiny whisper. Your lips taste like wine. Someone sings that song. Who is it?
I don't know that.
Your sweet lips taste like wine. Smooth as dun 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 dun. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, whatever. You don't remember? You coming? No.
Marcus.
I won't be long.
Alright.
Good. See?
Yeah. Hey, baby.
Hello.
What?
Wagwan.
There.
Come in here.
Wow.
How are you today?
I'm okay.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, you gonna prank me?
No. Well, today's Mother's Day, right? Yeah, so it's a very special day. Yeah, so every day is Mother's Day, but the day them officially make, and well, them say it's Mother's Day, so I have to make it extra special for you, that. Yeah, so the last time we went somewhere, go shopping, and I don't always get it right with like gifts that you want, but you gave me a hint and I picked up on what you wanted, and I got you something for Mother's Day.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so alright.
They bring on the waterworks. Oh my gosh. Alrighty.
Here we go.
No, let me see.
Yeah, so
Oh my god.
got you something for Mother's Day.
Oh my
A gift that I think you will love, because as I said, once I see something that you like, I would have got to get it. So this is for you, babe. Mother's Day gift.
Thank you. Oh my god.
From me and Ireland.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, so
The whole Fambinos. Oh my god.
that's for you. I guess.
Oh my gosh. A guest bag?
Yeah.
What the heck? Thank you so much.
I remember the day when we went shopping and I see you point out, if I'm correct, I think from memory it was this bag. You pointed out and I was like, I have to get this for you, so.
Oh, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Oh, so
Happy
sweet.
Mother's Day, baby.
Thank you, darling.
Love you.
Show the bag. Love you too, my darling. So this is it, guys. Wow. Yes.
Like
Yeah, new. Guess.
Yeah.
Here we
It
go.
even comes with what you call it, where you can put it on.
Oh, like the way I like to
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Yay. This is beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Hang on a sec. Wait, it's got like a one there and one there.
Yeah.
So you can wear it like,
like you can
cross-wet.
Or you can do it
Like that.
Yeah,
Like you can probably hook it there.
Yeah.
Or something like that. Hang on. Don't want to break it already. My gosh. Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so happy and excited. Is that a receipt in there? I don't want to know how much it was.
This is not the price. This is if you want to change, if you don't like it or something, that's just
Is it? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's not the. It doesn't have the price.
Exchange. Oh, okay. Very good.
Yeah.
See them all.
I love it. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Love you so much.
Love
Thank you
you,
so
baby.
much. I'm so super happy with this bag, guys. What you know?
Yeah, man.
Bling bling.
Yeah,
Ching-a-ling. Yeah, no. It's not about the material things. I
Yeah.
actually really like the bag.
Yeah.
I saw it. When I saw it the first time, I was like really amazed. I was like, I like those handbags.
Yeah.
But then I looked at the price tag and I'm like, oh, it's a bit far-fetched for me to buy. So I was like, they're nice bags, aren't they, babe? But I wasn't hinting for him to buy. I just was telling him they're really nice bags.
I remember that day you hinted two things. You hinted the shoes. There was a shoes that you hinted, and also the bag. And I was like, should I get the bag or should I get the shoes? And it was hard to make the decision, but yeah, I thought the bag was the best choice because I liked it
I
as
like
well.
it.
Yeah.
Woohoo. Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Thanks, babe. I really appreciate
You're
it. It's a
welcome.
beautiful bag.
Yeah, man.
Top man.
Yeah, man. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too.
So, guys, it's now time to call my mom. You know, tell her what's up. Hello, mommy.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. How are you?
Good man.
You there home? You there home?
Yeah.
Oh, request video.
Oh, come on. So, I don't know. Oh, almost there. Yeah.
Hello, mommy.
What's up?
Good day here.
Hey.
We just film.
Okay.
I show everybody. My mother from YouTube, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, for all the
Okay,
people
alright.
that don't, I've never seen my mom. Yeah, that's my mom, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We know I caught you by surprise, you know. Yeah, but we know Mother's Day in a couple hours, so yeah, but that's I say happy Mother's Day to you, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man. Wish you all the best and
Yeah.
yeah, and also me send you something as well, you know, so you can go collect it Monday. Yeah, Monday, and treat yourself to something, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome,
Yeah.
mommy.
Who find anything to your one? Maria.
Me send it in a fair name. Yeah, me make she send it off. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thanks a lot. And me just get them, she text me and tell me and then me get the message.
Okay. Yep. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so how your night?
Eh?
How your night been?
Good so far, you know. Good so far, me did go up in the town.
Okay.
Yeah, cause that's why you see me all me years here.
Yeah.
Me did go in the town, go deal with something.
Yeah.
Me watch it. And me never get to comb it. So me just, it is wet, see everything, and me go in the town, go up there, go deal with something, because me never want the place to lock up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me come back down, so me I done and go comb it now and pack up some clothes and hire and some, because me have church tomorrow, so me I go iron out some clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, not much though, maybe one or two, so three for work.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that make you see island as well. And babes.
Yeah.
You good?
Yes.
You say hi, Grandma?
Okay.
Hi, Grandma.
Nice.
Hi, Grandma.
Grandma Delcita.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
You give his sports so quick. Babes.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, Maria.
Happy Mother's Day for tomorrow. When is it? Next couple of
Yeah, a couple more hours, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh.
And same to you as well.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's,
Yeah.
we've been talking.
Yes, and I wish you all the best.
Thank
Hope you enjoy your day.
Yeah, I have. Thank you. We're gonna start up a fire now to make some food.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah. He's
Yeah.
filming. He's filming us.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. You take care. You take care.
You are going. You guys have enough for this, you know? Yeah. A long time I don't see you, man. Where you going in?